Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. Today, I'd like to tell you about this beautiful 2009 Range Rover Sport. Has the 4.4 V8 engine. It's the last year for that engine. Santorini Black metallic with black leather interior. This is a HSE model and it has the luxury package. This has upgraded wheels. These wheels were used on the supercharged model. So they're 20-inch wheels instead of 19. Also, the suspension was upgraded to coil springs and shocks rather than the air suspension that was done recently. The body's in beautiful condition. There's no dings or scratches. The paint condition is excellent. The leather is excellent as well. The luxury package gives you updated premium leather. Also gives you some upgraded side panel leather inserts. And you also have a refrigerator in the console. Keep things cold. Has a heated steering wheel, heated seats. Harmon Kardon sound system. Power moonroof. Nice gray stitching in the seats. Gives it a nice look. You can easily put a trailer hitch on it. Has the adapter already there. Has new brakes front and rear. That's pads and rotors. Has the brake fluid flush has also been done recently. Very recent. There's the Harmon Kardon sound system. It's got factory navigation. Beautiful Range Rover in pristine condition. Low miles, 56,000 miles. So this is collector quality. Thank you for looking in, and we'd love to tell you more about this vehicle. Feel free to give us a call.